Hello and welcome back to another ActiveLearn video. This week we're going to show you how to upload your pupil data. To get started from your library, click Admin at the top of the page. Then click on Register Multiple Students from the list on the left of the page. This takes you to a new page with a large white box on the right hand side. This is where you will copy and paste your pupil data for upload. The pupil data required must be separated into 4 columns: first name, surname, date of birth and the class or the group name. For example, a French class in Year 9 could be called FR9. Please ensure that the date of birth follows the same format as is shown on the left of the page in the required fields list. Please also note, ActiveLearn generates a password automatically for any pupil that you upload into the system from the Register Multiple Students page. Okay, so now you have your 4 columns ready. You're ready to import. Take your spreadsheet and copy the 4 column headings, then paste the data into the white box on the right of the page, then press Next. When you are happy your data is in the correct columns, press Next and import the selected number of users. Once the data is in the system, you will be given the data back by the platform in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You can save the data to your desktop or school network for future reference.